All right, it is time to get prepared for a major winter storm that is predicted to hit our area. I live here in southeast Missouri, and the day is Friday afternoon, and they're saying it's supposed to start later on, way late tonight or in the early morning hours, especially Saturday morning, and then continuing through the day, and then overnight Saturday, and then into Sunday. And they are calling for maybe a foot of snow. So it's supposed to all be snow here, but that's not the case. Looks like for areas further south, down in Arkansas and where my parents live down in North Mississippi, looks like they're going to get an ice storm, which is bad. I know last year we had a ice storm, and pretty bad one. My power was out for a couple days, but hopefully this is all snow. And they are calling for very cold temperatures, maybe below zero for a couple nights. But I am getting prepared. I've been getting prepared for this storm, and really I haven't had to do a whole lot, to be honest with you. I stay prepared. I got a wood. See, I'm looking at this wood burning stove here, and I have a small house. It's just under 700 square feet, and this thing will blow you out of here. You can get it. I had this going the other night, and I had it going way too hot, and it got 82 degrees in here. So yeah, I've learned how to control that. Just don't put a lot of wood on there, and I've learned to, the dampers, and cut off the airflow, and where it's not burning so hot. But it is, I guess, mid to upper 20s right now, mid 20s, I think, right now. And temperatures are really supposed to drop some more overnight, and then tomorrow, Sunday, is supposed to be bitterly cold, with, again, calling for maybe a foot of snow. So I do not get this wood burning stove going. I don't burn anything in there if it gets much above 35-40 degrees. I've got a central heat that I run, which does really good. But I don't want that thing running all the time. When it gets this cold, I like to fire up this wood burning stove, and so that's what I'm going to do right now. And further preparation, I've got, just in case the power goes out, I've got a couple of jugs of water. Those are 6 gallons each. So I got those pretty much filled. So there's 12, and then over here, got that right there is 2.5. So I got probably around 14 or so gallons of water, just in case the electricity goes out, because I'm on a well with a well pump. So if the power goes out, I have no way of getting any water. And also I have a little battery backup system. I wished I had something better, but if the power does go out, at least I have that. It'll last a couple days, and it keeps my Starlink going. Yeah, hopefully the power doesn't go out, especially with these types of temperatures that they're calling for. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to light this stove up right now and get it going, and just let it go for the duration of the cold weather that's going to be sticking around for the next week, it looks like. So let's do that now. All right, let's get this going here. I got my 2 helpers. So let's get this thing going here. All right, y'all get back. Y'all get back. All right, hopefully that'll get going there. All right, get that kindling going there. Nothing like a nice fire in the wood stove on a cold winter day. All right, got that kindling going good there. I'm gonna put in a couple of small sticks of wood here. Get those going. All right. All right, there we go. It's so good to have this heat source. I don't have to worry about anything if the power goes out. Got plenty of food, plenty of water. Got a full propane cylinder because I cook with gas. And if the power does go out, or if it gets so cold that my pipes will freeze up, well, I fixed that too. I got a it's a kind of a, I don't know exactly what you call it. It's a pipe wrap, a little electrical thing you can wrap around your pipe or zip tie it to your pipes, and so that's what I've done. So it's going right now, so I don't see how in the world those pipes would ever freeze. So that's taken care of. Don't need any busted pipes. That would not be good. Well, there you go. I am ready.